Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
It's 5:20, got up at 4. This is going to be the behind-the-scenes video for the trip to Rockford game. It's not going to start all that exciting because we're both very tired.
Like always.
Like always.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know what it's going to consist of, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And well, just like you, or just like us, let's get going.
Let's go.
What is this?
It's like, let's go.
Okay, whatever. Get on a mask. Need a mask. So right out of the oven and into the frying pan, we just landed, and Eric, you guys know Eric. Eric told us, hey, you're going to do your interview with Bill, like now. So we ran over here. This is the podcasting area. How cool is that?
This is the podcast area, and then this is our virtual sales room floor. So right now we have it also set up for another display.
We set up our camera. This is the behind the scenes, Eric. So we're kind of filming. We're going to do multiple videos.
Yeah.
It's never enough. Yep.
Yeah.
The flight was fun.
It was interesting.
It was interesting.
Yeah, it was
But
very bumpy.
Very, very bumpy. Wasn't me, I
We're in the
swear.
middle of the road, almost. Don't scare me like that.
First day at Rockford went really well.
Yes.
Hopefully you guys got to see the interview with Bill and know that we had to shoot it twice because the battery died in the camera, and we weren't watching that because we were just too engaged with him. He was telling us great stories. It was awesome.
It's a really nice guy to talk to. Very easy to talk to.
Right now, though, we're going to get some dinner.
Yes. We don't know where.
We left at 4:30 in the morning, or 4:45 or 5:15, whatever it was. Saw that like a minute ago.
Yeah. Right now it's 6 o'clock here.
We landed. We did the podcast. We were supposed to go out for some form of food. I think it's this way. All right, whatever. We were supposed to go get food, but we had to do an interview at 2 o'clock. We landed. It was like 12:30. We needed to get there and do that. So we haven't had anything to eat since this morning at like,
Oh no, 7 o'clock?
9 o'clock. It was 9 o'clock. I don't know.
know.
Yeah, it was 9. It was 9 o'clock.
I don't know.
Dallas
That was a long time ago.
Which would have been 10 o'clock or I don't know. Either way.
That was a long time ago.
All I know is we need food. So we're walking there now.
Yeah, I'm tired. Look at this.
I'm very tired. It's been a lot of fun so far, though. Very active. Morning 2. Did you get a good night's sleep? Yeah. I did too. You know, the nice thing, you stay up way too late, but then your internal clock just kicks in, and it's 3 hours difference. So I almost feel like we have a head start on the morning.
Yes.
Because we're like, we'll pick you up at 8. And we're like, okay, that's 11 o'clock for us. Yeah, that sounds wonderful. So
Yeah.
I got up this morning at 6:15, went for a nice run. You got up about the same time.
Yeah.
Met down here. They had breakfast, had some eggs, get the protein in for the morning. We have a whole day of filming today, a bunch of projects. So today is actually, even though we started yesterday, like right off the plane, rock and rolling, today is a full day from 8 to 5, rolling cameras as much as we possibly can, talking all day. It ought to be really interesting.
Yes.
It's a nice hotel. Nice hotel.
Yeah, that's nice.
I went running that way this morning, which is like a giant office complex, and then I finished in the Rockford complex area where it's like an industrial park. Found Rockford, didn't find Mobile Solutions. It's right around there somewhere, so we'll figure that out.
Yeah.
I know. Okay, across the street. Yeah, that narrows it down.
Like that.
Yeah, ran across the street, didn't see it. Probably has a small sign. We're excited. It's about the easiest way to put that.
Yeah.
Lots of work on the schedule today, though. You know, a lot of people are like, oh, this is so cool.
How are you guys doing?
Wonderful.
Good.
You taking pictures of yourself and you got a picture camera too?
Yes,
Who you guys working with?
Rockford.
All right, you taking pictures of them?
Yeah. Yeah, I was train of thought just went on derailed off the track. A lot of people would think that this is a cool vacation style trip, but this is a working trip for us. You know, we're on the clock just like we are back in the install bay. We have a job to do, and in some cases it's more important.
Right.
But we have a client we're working for, which is Rockford. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a really cool job. There's no doubt about it.
Yes.
We're gonna do the best we can, as always, and hopefully we hit it out of the park. So day 2 of the trip is at Rockford is over. We've finished there. We had a great shoot today. Would you agree, Fernando?
I agree. I think that was like yesterday. We talked about hopefully it goes up and not just straight. And I think today was like
Through the roof.
Bump it up. Yeah.
Through the roof.
Totally.
We had a blast. We got to see a ton of stuff. It was wonderful. There's no question about it. Tonight, we have some plans tonight for dinner. We're gonna meet up with some friends, Casey and Natasha from Morel. Hopefully now the air conditioner's off so you can hear us. It's been an interesting day.
Yeah, that was pretty good actually. Yeah.
So
Wake up this morning and you know what I mean. Like
not a clue. Not a clue at all. Last day.
no. Tomorrow's fast.
I mean, we're just flying tomorrow. We didn't kind of end yesterday's day with a video or anything like that. Hi. Oh. You got your card? Last night we ended up going out to eat with Joey and Eric. We had a wonderful dinner. We came back, we did a live show, which is probably why we didn't record anything last night.
Yeah.
And then we went to bed because we were beat. This is a lot of work.
I mean, just running around, like going here, going there, and it's like,
But we have another fun day lined up for today. We're headed out to see Jason Digos from MSC America. Then after that, we're going to head out to Mobile Solutions and check in with Brian Schmidt. Excited?
I'm excited. I mean, never been to these places, so it's like the candies.
And then we are going to go back to Rockford because we do need to get some bumper footage that we didn't get. I went through some of the video last night just to see where we were at and found some gaps that I didn't like, so I have to go back in.
I mean, we get it, we just don't like.
I don't like it.
The outcome. So yeah.
Yep. Got to get some more footage. Got to make sure it's perfect for you guys. Unlike these videos, which just suck. But hey, whatever. How was your breakfast?
It's good. Yeah.
The food has been fabulous.
Yeah, food. The whole trip has been good.
I've eaten more fish out here than I do in Florida, which is funny.
It's crazy.
Because there's no oceans anywhere around us.
Not a mountains.
But the fish has been really great. They tell me it's flat in fresh daily. And at these restaurants and the prices they're charging, I would think so, yes.
No kidding, right? Yeah.
And this, which we thought would be an awesome way to end the show. Before we get blasted away inside of this, we thought this would be a great way to end the show. And thank Rockford so much for taking their time and giving us an awesome experience. And of course, letting us share it with you guys, the fans. What do you think, Fernando?
I think it's amazing, man. I just want to say thank you. Also,
everybody here has been fabulous. This is definitely one for the record book, guys. Check done. Bucket list over. Ready for this?
Let's hear it. I'm excited.
That makes one of us.
Let's go.
Go. Hey, it rattled out some of the water from the car wash. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh my God. Well, here we are.
Again?
4:50 in the morning.
Yeah.
Just like at the beginning.
Yeah, pretty much.
And this is the end.
This is the end.
It was great, man. We had a wonderful time. We want to thank everyone that we got to meet. It was awesome.
Yes, definitely. It was a really nice trip. Thank you.
We're going to end it right here, as always. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you later next time.
Bye, guys.
That, and I'm just too tired to make any sense of this.